too much fat is going to make me fat. Now people have a misconception that you're going to become fat the moment you start following a ketogenic diet because the diet is primarily fat based. Well, the answer is that you could probably lose weight and you could probably gain weight based on the amount of calories that you're consuming. If you're not in a calorie deficit, if you're in a calorie surplus, you're going to put on weight on a ketogenic diet, but you're also going to put on weight on whatever diet you're doing if you're in a calorie surplus. But if you're in a calorie deficit, mark my words, you're going to lose weight on a ketogenic diet and on any other given diet that you're going to be following. Myth number 2. The ketogenic diet is going to damage my kidney and I am going to die. Well, that is absolutely untrue. A ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein and an extremely low-carb diet. A moderate protein diet means that you're actually consuming somewhere between 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kg body weight of protein. The second aspect of that is that there is no scientific evidence or research to prove that protein has started causing kidney damage. Being a doctor, I can vouch for that. Do not believe these false claims. A ketogenic diet does nothing to your kidney. Myth number 3. A lot of people have been telling me, Siddhant, if I'm on a ketogenic diet, my liver is going to fail and I'm going to die and No, that's completely untrue. The best thing about the liver is it's probably one of the organs that has the ability to regenerate in the body and regenerate extremely fast. Agreed that a lot of the fat from the ketogenic diet is being metabolized in the liver. But think about it in this manner, you're merely exercising the liver and you're not really damaging the liver. So do not worry, there are no long-term or short-term detrimental aspects of the ketogenic diet on your liver. Unless if you drink alcohol. Too much of it. Which is bad for your liver. Cut. Myth number 5 is probably the most important, the most dangerous myth. Following a ketogenic diet is going to give me a heart attack and I will die. Fat is breaking, fat is composed of a lot of cholesterol. Fat breaks, cholesterol releases, that's what is picked up in your bloodstream during a medical examination. Don't think that increased or transiently increased cholesterol levels is equal to a heart attack. What a ketogenic diet does for you is that it reduces the amount of inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the actual reason that's causing your heart attack. Cholesterol is purely a defense mechanism. Again, research has reported that HDL levels, which is the good cholesterol, these levels go up on a ketogenic diet. Your triglycerides come down, your LDL come down. So I don't know where this myth comes from that a ketogenic diet is going to give you a heart attack. Probably because for the last 60 years, fat has been linked to causing heart disease and ketogenic is primarily a high-fat diet, but this is not true.